Guys, so today, look at this hair, it's a mess. I look rough right now, but I'm going to do some test strands on a few colors I have to see how it's going to come out on like here and then a few of these brassy spots. So I did pick up 2 hair dyes. I'll show you real quick. And then I'm going to do some test spots and I'll be back and I'll see if I'm going to do it or not. But let me show you. Okay, so I did pick up some ion color. I picked up some lavender as well as I picked up some titanium. And of course I got a mixing bowl dish, and this is my hair dye towel. I know, outrageous. And for some reason, when you guys see it on camera, my hair looks way darker on camera than real life. It is not that dark. I don't know why. The lighting's kind of wild, but I am going to hopefully do this right. I'm going to try a test section at the bottom where it's really light, and I'm going to try to find a piece that's like super brassy, and try a little bit of the titanium mixed with lavender, and then I'm going to come on and show you guys kind of how it looks before I do my whole head. But yeah, wish me luck. Okay, so I did my test strip. I love how the roots look with the lavender and a little conditioner mixed. So I'm going to go around and do all my roots. And then I'm just going to kind of fade some of this area here. And I'm going to mix it with the titanium and the lavender and see how that goes. I put it on this. It didn't really seem to do all that much. It kind of just seemed like it made the pink kind of come out a bit and tone down any orange tone. So you know what, I'm just going to do it and see. But I'm definitely going to go around, do all the roots, and then try to fade it. Probably as I'm coming on and doing it, I'll pop in and show you guys. But yeah, that is going to be the plan. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm going to turn on this real quick. But super pretty. Really comes out like a pretty like periwinkle lavender shade, so I'm just gonna like mix it in and like all that, but this is gonna take me a while, so I will be back. Okay, so I have this in. You can still see a little bit of color even though I saturated it. I use like 4 tubes. I still have like just a little bit of each tube left, just like a little bit of lavender and the sterling. So I'm gonna see how this comes out. I'm gonna leave this in for about like maybe 30 minutes or more. I'm just going to see if I can get more of these tones out. It looks really cute though, I like it. Hopefully it looks like this when I wash it. But depending on how it looks, I may go in, let it air dry, and then do some spots with more purple compared to the titanium. But so far, I mean, it looks like a really pretty color. So fingers crossed. So update in a minute. Okay, so I am out of the shower. Granted, my hair is still kind of wet, but this was the outcome. I will say I like how the underneath came out. It actually is like a purpley gray. It just looks kind of weird in this lighting here. I like how my roots came out. The only part that came out weird is just this area here, which I figured because it's such a warm toned area. Sorry guys, this lighting is kind of deceiving because it's not this dark in real life. Like it is, but not like as dark as it's picking up on camera. I'm thinking I might take just some lavender and just put it through this middle section here, just to kind of tone out a little bit more of the warm tones. Obviously it's not going to make it super lavender, but just so it's more cool toned, like how the whole underneath and bottom and top is. At least I am hoping that's what it will do. So that is where I'm at. I don't know. This isn't looking, not looking good right now. It really looks awful, so, not good, not good. All underneath is good. If you were to look just at the bottom, it looks honestly really pretty, but the rest of the hair just really isn't looking good. So, yeah, well, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna do an update. Who knows, I might do just a color remover and just say screw it at this point because it is just not working to my favor. So, I don't know, I'm going to be back, so look out for another video. This was kind of a fail, so sorry. But, yeah, I'm probably just going to do a color remover and say screw it, at least in this middle section here. But, yeah, wish me luck. I'm sure I'll film it. Yeah, so this was a fail. Sorry, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and an update video will be up soon.